Interactive Floor Projector. Dive into a visual wonderland. Imagine a floor that comes alive with waves and patterns as you walk. No, it's not a flood or a lost tape from the Titanic. It's the magic of an interactive floor projector. Found in a Chinese hotel, this cutting-edge technology uses a computer, camera, and projector to not just project images, but interact with people. It turns a simple floor into a dynamic canvas, changing appearance with every person nearby. Ori Studio Suite. Revolutionizing furniture with robotics, get ready to be amazed by the Ori Studio Suite, an invention by an American company that takes furniture to the next level. This robotic furniture set transforms itself, optimizing apartment space efficiently. Beds and desks magically appear or disappear, and the module can be controlled manually, through a mobile app or even by voice if you have a smart home system. It's a game changer for those seeking a versatile and space-saving living solution. Staircase Aquarium. Elevate your interior design. Game aquariums are no longer just homes for fish. They've become stunning interior decor elements. Modern designers are integrating aquariums seamlessly into interiors, like using them as room dividers or even as a unique handrail for staircases. The possibilities are endless when it comes to combining nature and design in your living spaces. Tile stickers. A budget-friendly tile makeover, renovating a kitchen or bathroom can be expensive and tricky, especially with ceramic tiles. Enter tile stickers, a cost-effective solution to refresh the look of your tiles. Easy to install and available in various designs. These stickers not only upgrade your space, but also hide imperfections in old tiles. A practical and stylish way to give your home a quick facelift. Up Balloon Coffee Table. Where fantasy meets furniture, Duffy London Studio brings you an extraordinary coffee table that defies expectations. While it may seem like it's held up by balloons, the truth is in the materials. Made of durable metal with a shiny coating, these tables create the illusion of real balloons. With limited editions in different colors, this whimsical piece of furniture adds a touch of magic to any living space. Glim. Elegant wooden room dividers for every space for those seeking a more refined way to zone out a space. Glim offers decorative wooden room dividers. Made from natural wood, these partitions are not only elegant and unusual, but also serve their primary function of dividing space. Easy to install and customizable in size, color, and appearance, Glim brings sophistication to practicality. TopBrewer. Your personal coffee tap. Coffee lovers, rejoice! The TopBrewer by Scanner Mats is a dream come true. This innovative coffee machine, disguised as a tap, delivers top-quality coffee through a mobile app. Customize your drink preferences from intensity to sweetness, and even get sparkling or boiling water for tea. It's like having a personal barista without taking up extra space in your kitchen. Step into the future with these mind-blowing designs that not only enhance your living spaces, but also redefine how we interact with furniture and decor.